I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the essentials now: mastery, credits, and a mobility-focused frame. Once ready, cue the specific mission node that drops jagged edge components. Start the run immediately and prioritize speed over kills. You want multiple clears per hour. Make sure to equip gear that shortens mission time and increases drop chance, such as booster or squad with loot bonuses. By starting fast runs back-to-back, you raise your effective RNG attempts and get closer to the drop without wasted downtime. Once you've established quick runs, refine the loop. Choose short, objective missions like interception or sabotage that guarantee rewards. You should use resource boosters and any active drop rate boosts to stack advantages. These multipliers compound your chance per run. Make sure to run with 1 or 2 reliable players to shave seconds off clears, and rotate missions to avoid diminishing returns. You'll see progress because more runs equal more opportunities. Keep cadence steady and don't linger on low-yield tasks. You finish by checking your inventory and completing any final runs until the jagged edge pieces appear. If you still lack drops after a significant number of attempts, change your target node or shift to an alternate mission type to reset RNG pools. Make sure to use trade options or wait for event windows as contingency routes. These can bypass long grind cycles. If runs feel stale, take short breaks. Fatigue reduces efficiency, and then return with boosters active to maximize remaining attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.